welcome back to the channel. I'm Erica, and today's video is Summerween with the Real Prince Club. This is a collab. I believe it's an open collab too, but nobody else has joined us, so it's okay. But I am having a lot more fun than I did last week making, well, was it last week or was it the week before last? I don't know. All my days are mixed up. But I had a lot of fun making this one, which is the vampire. So I encourage you to go check out the Real Prince Club's video. We also did a ghost for the first one, werewolf for the second, and mummy for the third one, and then vampire for the fourth one, which is today's video. And you can pretty much tell the ones that I chose to do, probably it's the werewolf and vampire, okay? But anyways, let's get started, and I'm going to show you what to do. And again, I'm keeping it in the preschooling theme. Basically, I like the little mini versions. I think they're super cute, and I feel like I could use this for Halloween. So anyways, let's get into the DIY part of the video. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree doll, and it went black. I don't remember why it went black screen, but it did. Anyways, I took the head off and I ripped the hair off, and now I'm just adding the clothes. I did not show how to make the clothes. I just made a shirt, and I just glued it on the hands and a little bit around the neck because I want it to stay in place. I did not show how to make the clothes because I feel like, you don't have to make the clothes. You could have your own clothes or something. I don't know. I just decided not to show how I made the clothes. It's just basic clothes, you know. But anyways, I went ahead and I glued on the skirt as well. And again, I did not sew the skirt to the top just because I didn't feel like making a dress. And I didn't feel like it being super neat or anything because I'm only going to use this for Halloween. This is for me. This isn't me selling this or anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue everything in place because this doll is not going to change anytime soon in the future. It's still going to be a vampire doll. So as you can see, I am gluing the cleavage, and I do end up gluing like a piece of fabric around the waist as well to clean up that raw edge. Now I'm doing what I do for the hair, which is I'm taking yarn, pulling it apart into 4 strands, and then I straighten it with the flat iron. Now I am just going to hot glue it on the head, and it's not hurting at all because I had already decapitated it. But anyways, I am just going to glue it forward, and then when I pull it back, it'll look a little neater. But since I'm not using tacky glue for this, I'm using hot glue. You can see the hot glue residue, and it's not beautiful, but it does work. And now I am just going to glue a brown bead. It's a wooden bead. I'm using brown because her hair is brown, and I'm gluing it to the center of her head, which for some reason you're not seeing it, and I think it's because I was looking for the bead. I was looking for it because I couldn't find my jar of beads, and I was like, darn it, and I just went ahead and I sped up this part. But anyways, I just glued it to the center of her head, and this is going to make it the bump. And now I am just going to wrap the hair all the way around it to make this bun. This way it's full because I did not add a lot of hair. Now I am just taking some yarn, and I did not pull the strands apart, but I did wrap it around a paintbrush, and I did curl it with the flat iron, and I just glued 2 strands to the side. And to clean up my edges, I just made like this little headband, and it's basically just like some weird ribbon thing that I had from Hobby Lobby, and I just cut like 2 strands of it, and I had glued it around the head. And you are not seeing the cape because I was off focus or whatever, but anyways, I glued on the cape too. And then I made the necklace using the exact same thing that I used for the headband. And for the medallion, I just used a purple gem. Now I am going to touch up her eyes with some brown paint, and I am adding some red paint to make like blood around her lips right there. And then I'm going to take my puffy paint, which is the glow in the dark white, for the fangs, and that is my vampire. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box down below to check out the Real Princess Club's video. And also, I will link our playlist to the Summerween collab challenges. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!